Now, welcome in second part. Now we are going to now how to create our profile. Let's say we wanted to use a strategy which will be dip analyzer. Okay. So if you click on dip analyzer and say use this profile, now this is your current profile. So here it will show you that this profile is use only, read only, which will be shown in the last video. So if you wanted to use it, you can click here and duplicate this one. If you will duplicate the strategy, it means that it will be now not read only. You can use it in your account, in your bot. So if you click here and you go there, you found a dip analyzer copy. So here you don't have a, you only have a person not having a lock with it. It means it is available for you for your trading. Now you are here, and if you click on use this profile, then now you are switched to dip analyzer copy profile. Okay. Now let's say we are having these strategies. We are having dip analyzer trading mod. Now it says that activation is pending and restart required. Okay. And before it we were using trading trade view signal trading mode. So it says that deactivation is pending. So to activate our dip analyzer, we will click on it and we will click on this icon, and here we will found that configuration required, and then we click on configuration, and in configuration when we come down it will tell us things and we will set up our dip analyzer. So let's say here is the amount per buy order. To specify the amount per buy from zero point 0.1 to trade zero point 0.1 BTC or 2%. Let's say we want to 1.2%, okay, of total portfolio. And then go to down. If you go down, you find number of sales order to create after each buy. It means that if you once buy your coins, then how many number of sell orders you want. Okay, now here you can set up according to your calculations, and then you can save configuration and restart later. Okay, when you click on this button, go to your profile back again, and here you found there is nothing, no, nothing changed. So if you scroll the left sidebar down, you find save and restart button. You already saved and restarted it. Okay, restart it later. So now we only need to restart our bot. So here you also found that the compatible evaluation strategy, which means that now this is working but still restart is required. Okay, then we go to activation pending. Okay, if we click on here, and then we found a activate button. When you click on this activate button, it will say that restart Octobot for changes to be applied. Now what we need, we only need to restart our bot. Our strategy is activated now. Here are we are having a button of red color, but because of my screen size, it is not visible. So when I will click on it, it simply restart our bot. And when we go back to our profile, reload our page, then we found that login is required. Okay, so first we log in, give our password, and now we are redirected to our portfolio profile page. Now here you find that our dip analyzer trading mode is activated now, and trade view signals trading mode is deactivated. Okay, now here you also find our dip analyzer strategy evaluator is activated. So now our first step is completed. Now we are selecting, now we selected a strategy. Now let's say you want, now in the second option you have currencies. Here you can add any currency, reference currency which you want. Let's say you want BNB. Okay, and then click on add button. Now BNB is added. Now down here you found the pair of BNB with USDT. If you want to change the pair or add any pair, you can add the pair. And if you want to remove the pair, let's say first we